like always, let's try it the traditional way first.
Did anything happen?
To make Thai green papaya salad, start by peeling the papaya first, using a julienne peeler or the traditional way. To make your sweet, sour and spicy dressing, pound garlic, red chili, palm sugar, fresh coriander, and some dried shrimp in a mortar and pound away until coarse. Add sweet cherry tomatoes, green beans, pound lightly to get those juices going. Season with fish sauce and lime juice. Stir well, then add in your papaya flesh. Pound again gently and let those flavors mingle. Now do a little taste test and adjust the seasoning until your taste buds start singing.